Hey guys, and welcome back to CHENG'S Aqua, and today we're going to be doing water changes and we're going to be feeding our stingrays. As you can see right now, we are looking at my Motoro Stingray aquarium. We're going to drop in our pump and start to suck out all the old water and shoot it out to our garden. Do you ever wonder what they're thinking while you're doing water changes? Like, all they're seeing is basically the sky getting smaller and smaller and smaller. I don't know, I always thought it would be a cool thought. But anywho, I do lots and lots of water changes on the stingray aquariums due to the fact that they pee a tremendous amount, and that can spoil the water very easily. And I'm trying to typically do between a 30% water change to a 35% water change every 2 to 3 days, especially in the smaller aquarium. As you can see here, the water has already dropped down a good amount. I'm removing the pump. And again, I do about 30%. The fresh water that comes in is the same temperature, and I add prime to make sure the chlorine or chloramines are no longer in the fresh water. And yeah, just drop it in there, and they're good to go. Again, temperature, making sure the temperature is the same between the new water and the older water is very important, because that changes in temperature, well, any bigger change than 5 degrees can really shock and hurt or kill your fish. So you have to be careful with that. I did want to mention quickly that I am selling my 2 black diamond stingrays. If you guys are interested, you don't have to pick up both. You can pick up one. But if you are only going to take one, you would be taking the male. So if you're interested, please let me know. And yeah, I'm going to be shortly filling back up the aquarium with fresh water, like I mentioned. And again, the biggest thing is making sure you have prime or something to take out the chlorine from the water, or if you're letting your water sit over and letting the chlorine evaporate on itself, it's also a very good idea. And the temperature, you want to make sure those stay pretty consistent. And as you can see here, there is the hose, adding up new fresh water into the aquarium. I have a wave maker in there too, just to help fluctuate with getting the temperature of the aquarium all evenly, because the heater is on one corner of the tank. I put the wave maker on one side so it can fluctuate throughout the entire aquarium. And as you can see, the water is filled. The stingrays are doing fine, looking great. And we're going to start to feed, dropping the first pieces of shrimp. Look at this, look at them go crazy over it. They love this stuff. It's fish, scallops, shrimp, even squid, calamari. These guys eat very well. The geophagus eat some of it too, but it's mainly for the stingrays, because the geophagus I feed brine shrimp, bloodworms, plankton, a whole bunch of different frozen foods, and including pellets. So yeah, and you don't want to overfeed or leave this water in there that go bad either, because if you have the water going bad, you're gonna have to do more frequent water changes, and it's just a pain. So plus the peeing, plus the food, and it can really damage your water quality. I always figure just watching these guys are really cool. These guys are just as cool as my black diamonds, if not cooler, because I'm so used to seeing the black diamonds. As you can see here, all those little specks are either brine shrimp or plankton. That's, again, mainly for the geophagus, but the stingrays will eat it too, so cool. Anyway, that's me doing water changes and feeding these stingrays and geophagus. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you did like it. Don't forget to drop a like, comment any questions, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Check out the other social media that we have, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!